Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can put OneDrive in the File Explorer. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my desktop. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open the Start menu, and then once you do that, search for OneDrive. Once you do that, go ahead and click on Open, and then it will open right here in your File Explorer. Right here, as you can see guys, in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here, you're going to find Home, Gallery, and right here, you're going to find OneDrive. So right now, if you want to pin it to the quick access on your File Explorer, first of all, right-click on it, and then here, you're going to find all of these options. Here, you're going to find the option to copy it, expand it, open in a new tab, open a new window. Here, you're going to find Pin to Quick Access. If you pin it, you're going to find it always pinned right here. Right here, as you can see guys, in the bottom, you're going to find the option to always keep it on this device, free up space, and here you're going to find the OneDrive settings. Click on OneDrive, and then here you're going to find the option to view it online. Here you're going to find settings, and lastly, right here, you're going to find folder color. If you want to go to OneDrive settings, click on settings right here, and then this will take you to this window right here. Here in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find sync and backup, account, notifications, and lastly, here you're going to find about. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, is go to account and make sure you have this account linked to your PC. And then if you want to sync your PC with OneDrive, go to sync and backup. And then here you're going to find backup important PC folders to OneDrive, backup your desktop, documents, and pictures folder to OneDrive so they're protected and available on other devices. Go ahead and click on Manage Backup. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find documents, pictures, desktop, music, and videos. So if you want to sync them, just enable the options that you want, and then go ahead and click on Save Changes, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.